So what is the first and foremost requirement if you are going to write a descriptive test on a computer? Yes, my dear friends, that's typing speed. If your typing speed is not fast enough, there is a possibility that you are definitely going to leave a question in your examination, or maybe if you will be able to attempt all the 4 questions, you will not be able to put your thoughts, you will not be able to integrate your thoughts well. So today in this video, we are going to discuss 4 things. Number 1, why typing speed is important for RBI, SEBI and NABARD examination. How can we improve the typing speed? How many words per minute is required, and which keyboard you must be using for practicing. So again, I will take your 5 to 6 minutes and everything will be clarified. So let's begin with this session and let's get into why typing speed is important. So सबसे पहला reason, the very first reason that why typing speed is important is your descriptive test is going to be computer based test. Your descriptive test is going to be what? Computer based test, which means you have to type on the computer, and obviously the very first requirement for typing on the computer, for typing efficiently, is the typing speed. So that is number 1. That's very easy and that's very obvious. Point number 2, why typing speed is important is that you need to bring your fingers and your brain in sync. फिंगर और ब्रेन को आपको सिंक में लाना पड़ेगा. देखो मैं आपको एग्जांपल से समझाता हूं. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट थ्रू एन एग्जांपल. व्हेनेवर यू आर राइटिंग ऑन अ पेपर, याद करो वो दिन जब अपने कॉलेज में आप पेपर्स पेन पेपर से आंसर लिख रहे होते थे. सो व्हाट यू यूज्ड टू डू, क्या आप पहले सोचते थे और लिखते थे? नहीं, सोचते सोचते आपको लिखना होता था, तभी आप अपने एग्जाम कंप्लीट कर पाते हैं. एंड दैट्स the same thing goes with the typing. You have to type and you have to think simultaneously, otherwise you will not be able to complete the paper, right? So you need to bring your fingers and your brain in sync. Only then you will be able to complete the paper, only then you will be able to type efficiently. Point number 2, why typing speed is important. And point number 3, मैंने आपको already बता दिया that you need to think and you need to type simultaneously. You need to think and you need to type simultaneously. अगर आप सोचोगे और फिर टाइप करोगे तो फिर बहुत देर हो जाएगी, my dear friends. So these are the 3 major reasons why typing speed is important. And 4th reason is obviously you want to complete your test, है ना? You want to complete your test on time. You want to attempt all the 4 questions in ESI and FM, and you want to attempt all the 3 questions in English descriptive. So completing the paper is the 4th reason why typing speed is important, because imagine you have attempted 3 questions, your fellow candidate has attempted 4 questions. Definitely the 4 question candidate is going to fetch more marks than you, right? So these are the reasons why typing speed is important. Point second agenda पे आते हैं वीडियो के. जो second agenda है, how many words per minute are required. कितने words per minute आपको चाहिए होते हैं. So if I talk about the ESI and FM paper, right, in ESI and FM paper, you need to write 2000 words in 90 minutes, right? 2000 word in 90 minutes. So what you will be doing, you will be dividing 2000 divided by 90 and you will be getting the words per minute. No, that is not the right idea. That is not the right idea. Why that is not the right idea? Because you will not be typing in the whole 90 minutes. You will think about the question, you will read the question, you will jot down the points. For that, you need at least 5 minutes for every question. Okay? So, see, there are 15 markers, 2 questions. 15 markers, 2 questions are there. 10 markers, 2 questions are there that you need to attempt. And the number of questions given are 6. So, you need to choose which question you have to, which answer you have to write, right? And then you have to read the question, then you have to jot down the points. You have to recollect the points in your brain. These things also take time, and I would suggest you to give time on these things. Do not just pick up the question and start writing it, start typing it. That is not an idea, because if you will do that, after writing certain number of words, you will be blank कि अब मैं क्या लिखूं भाई, right? So 15 markers के अगर 2 questions हैं और 10 markers के 2 questions हैं, इसमें आपको 600 into 600 plus 600 1200 words लिखने हैं, और इसमें दोनों में 800. तो total you need to write 2000 words. ठीक है, and I am giving you, and total you are getting 90 minutes. So let us break that down. 20 minutes each for 15 markers, and 10 minutes 20 20 40 and let's say 25 minutes each for 15 markers and 20 minutes each I am giving you for 10 markers, which is more than enough. Now give 5 minutes for thinking and breaking down the question. 5 minutes each, दोनों में दे दो आप सोचने के लिए, ठीक है, दोनों में दे सकते हो आप सोचने के लिए. So 5 minutes each if you are giving to every question, then your 20 minutes are gone. 20 minutes are already gone, which means you will be typing 2000 words in 70 minutes. So what is the words per minute that is required? It comes out 28.57. ये मैंने already divide कर लिया था, which is approximately how many words? 30 words per minute. But ये तो बिल्कुल boundary पे है. This 30 words per minute is at the boundary. You need to be one step ahead. Only then you will be able to type efficiently. So I would suggest you to target a number which is more than this, obviously. So I would suggest you to target the number 35 to 40. 35 to 40 words per minute आपको typing speed आपकी होनी चाहिए. Only then you will be able to complete your paper. You will be able to write these 2000 words in the given time. So this is how many words per minute. I hope it is clear. आगे चलते हैं. दूसरा जो तीसरा एजेंडा है आज की इस वीडियो का, that which keyboard you should be using. कौन कौन से कीबोर्ड आपको यूज करने चाहिए. So I would suggest you to use this mechanical keyboard. And in mechanical keyboard also there are a lot of fancy keyboards in the market. I would suggest not to go for those fancy keyboards like this. इस तरीके के फैंसी कीबोर्ड्स बहुत सारे मार्केट में अवेलेबल है. आई वुड सजेस्ट यू नॉट टू गो थ्रू दैट बिकॉज इन द TCS लैब यू विल बी गेटिंग अ वेरी बेसिक कीबोर्ड और समटाइम्स इट्स लाइक उसमें से कुछ की चल नहीं रहे होते हैं, कुछ की दब नहीं रहे होते हैं, तो ऐसी चीजें चल रही होती है, राइट. एंड यू शुड नॉट प्रैक्टिस द आंसर राइटिंग ऑन योर लैपटॉप. यू नीड टू बाय अ मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड लाइक दिस, लाइक आई एम यूजिंग राइट नाउ. यू कैन सी इट. इस तरीके का आप मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड बेसिक सा खरीद सकते हो. डू नॉट गो फॉर द फैंसी कीबोर्ड्स, ठीक है. ऑलराइट, दैट्स अबाउट द कीबोर्ड. नाउ लास्ट में मैं आपको कुछ टिप्स देना चाहूंगा कि आप कैसे अपने टाइपिंग को स्पीड को बढ़ा सकते हैं. नाउ लेट मी क्लैरिफाई वन थिंग हियर. आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू द टिप्स फॉर बिकमिंग अ टाइपिस्ट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ टाइपिस्ट. यू विल बी एन ऑफिसर. So I will be just giving you those tips that will help you in becoming an officer and not a typist. You need not target 100 words per minute or 150 words per minute. Obviously, it will be of no use at RBI or NABARD or SEBI. How much intellectual you are, how much, how many ideas you will be giving to the organization during the meeting, that will matter. Your knowledge will matter, your typing speed will not matter at all. So, the idea behind this video is to make you exam prepare and not to make you a typist. ठीक है. So if you are a complete noob, you haven't even touched the keyboard before this, then you should be starting it with this phrase, this sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This particular sentence contains all the alphabets from A to Z. So if you are just starting your typing practice, then you should be writing this sentence 20 to 25 times a day, and you will see within a week or 10 days your typing speed is definitely going to increase, right? So this is the very first step that you can take while improving the typing. Point number 2 that you can do is do not use any particular typing software for increasing the typing speed. However, I am going to show you a game which you can use to improve your typing speed. कोई सॉफ्टवेयर पे टाइम वेस्ट करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to waste your time on any software which will be telling you that where you have to put your fingers, which finger should be used to press the space bar and all. You need not go through that typing tutorial. That is not required. Those type of tutorials is for the typist. You are not going to be the typist. But however, let me show you a game which you can use for increasing the typing speed. Once again, let me just show you the game. So the name of the gaming software you can say is Z-Type. Type Z-Type on Google. You can click on it. Right. इस पे जैसे आप न्यू गेम पे क्लिक करते हो, so some words will shoot. जैसे पहला वर्ड है सर्कल. जैसे मैंने सर्कल टाइप करा, सर्कल गया. RID. HEDS heads, SAVES saves. So this is how you can increase your typing speed. ये भी एक तरीका है टाइपिंग स्पीड को क्लियर करने का. फेज 1 मेरा लेवल 1 क्लियर हो गया है. उसके बाद विंस, फिर एनिमल. इस तरीके से यू कैन इंक्रीज योर टाइपिंग स्पीड. इट विल बी फन फॉर यू एज वेल. ये आपके लिए थोड़ा सा फन भी हो जाएगा, राइट? तो इसका इस्तेमाल आप कर सकते हो टू इंक्रीज योर टाइपिंग स्पीड. ठीक है, वापस चलते हैं अपने पीडीएफ की तरफ. तो कोई ऐसा आपको सॉफ्टवेयर इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है. तीसरा आप जो कर सकते हो वो मैं बताता हूं आपको. आप टाइपिंग साउंड का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. यू कैन यूज द टाइपिंग साउंड. ठीक है, टाइपिंग साउंड का, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग द एग्जामिनेशन what's going to happen, you are not going to type your answers alone. There will be hundreds of candidates along with you typing simultaneously, so there will be a lot of thud sound, right? So what you can do is you can play this typing sound in the background and then you should write your answer. Typing sound YouTube पे आपको मिल जाएगा. मैं लिंक भी डाल दूंगा वीडियो में. ठीक है, इसके बाद नेक्स्ट थिंग जो कि आप कर सकते हो, दैट इज प्रैक्टिस इज द की. ठीक है, मैं आपको एक सीधी स्पष्ट शब्दों में एक बात बताना चाहूंगा. प्रैक्टिस इज द की. आपको अगर इफ यू विल थिंक दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम गुरु मंत्र and today and tomorrow you will be a pro in the typing, no, that is not possible. That is completely not possible at all. ठीक है, so practice is the key. You need to practice a lot. और एक टिप जो मैं आपको और एक्स्ट्रा देना चाहूंगा, let me take you to the another screen. एक दूसरी टिप है जो कि मैं आपको देना चाहूंगा. 1 second. Yeah. So what you can do is, see, let's say if I have to type something, right? I am Manish. So मैंने मनीष की स्पेलिंग यहाँ पे गलत कर दी. So अब जनरली लोग क्या करते हैं, डिलीट करते हैं ऐसे एक करके, right? Look at the search bar. Look at the search bar. Okay, I am typing something. I am Manish Mishra. My name is Manish Mishra. इस तरीके से मैं टाइप कर रहा हूँ. And you can see I have typed it completely wrong, right? So अब या तो एक तरीका है कि मैं ऐसे एक करके बैक करूं. ठीक है, दूसरा तरीका क्या है कि मैं कंट्रोल दबा के ब्लैक स्पेस में दबाऊंगा तो पूरा का पूरा वर्ड जो है वो गायब हो जाएगा. कंट्रोल बैक. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ टिप दैट यू कैन यूज टू इंक्रीज योर टाइपिंग स्पीड. ठीक है, मैं एक बार और ये वाली चीज आप आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू लुक एट द सर्च बार. माय नेम इज मनीष मिश्रा. पूरा गलत हो गया, पूरा गलत लिख दिया मैंने. तो what I will do is control backspace, पूरा वर्ड गायब. कंट्रोल backspace. I will not go कि एक करके बैक कर रहा हूं मैं, ऐसा नहीं करना. कंट्रोल backspace. ठीक है, so this is also a tip that you can use while typing an answer. ठीक है, so these are guys some of the pro tips that you can use to increase your typing speed. और मैंने आपको इसमें कोई टाइपिंग क्लास लेने के लिए नहीं बोला है. छोटी टिप्स हैं वो मैंने आपको दे दी है, using which you guys can increase your typing speed. I hope you guys have learned something from this video, and I hope this video is going to help you in increasing the typing speed. Thank you very much. Goodbye, take care, and God bless.